Worried your funnel will look ugly if you're not a designer? You don't have to be. Even if design is not your thing, you can create a professional looking funnel. Here is an example prompt you could type into ChatGPT. Create a clean, simple landing page layout for a free guide about niche. Include the headline, subheadline, 3 to 5 bullet points, and a call to action. You can swap in your niche or freebie topic. Hit generate and instantly get a structured layout for your page. From there, you could paste it into Canva or your funnel builder, pick a clean template, and you've got a polished, faceless landing page ready to go. And to make launching even easier, the AI Faceless List Builder includes done for you faceless funnel templates. Just drop in your niche, add your lead magnet, and your funnel can go live without worrying about design. It's beginner friendly, comes with a 30-day money back guarantee, and costs less than $20. If you want to launch a professional looking funnel without any design skills, the link to AI Faceless List Builder is waiting for you in the description.